We are stupid. And this stupidity is taking a toll on this country. Too much toll. It's so bad. It's too bad. It's too bad. We cannot continue living like this. The government must get out of the people.
But on his behalf, Your Honor,
So this is a man who spoke his mind, and he did so with passion. This is a man who refused to be controlled in a court of the poor, in a court controlled by the minority. And what he said is true. The government is compromised. They call themselves educated people. They call themselves civilized people. But what civilization are they practicing when they are terrorizing their own citizens like this? This is something very important, something very true. And I agree with this gentleman, because if you take a look on what